This is a little Vax 320AW vacuum cleaner, a little small follow you along one. The hose goes on here, but I've got that removed at the moment. This one, it sucks okay, but it's not as good as it could be, and I'll show you why. So up here, if we click that off and get rid of this, the vacuum part that I've just put on the floor works really well, but if you look at this thing here, there's a load of crud stuck in here. That is just solid with nonsense. Just solid. So let's take it apart and try and get rid of some of that stuff. So over here, you can see a little padlock locked and unlocked symbol. If we twist it so that the white arrow aligns with the unlocked, that's a start. And then in here, there's a pleated filter, which you can wash, but oh buddy, look at that. So somebody's just gone around the normal way of doing it. The normal way of opening it is just to press on that clip there and open this one up, and that's fine, that'll get you in. But it's this end that you need to get into. So I've got a little tray here just to get rid of stuff. It's just regular old vacuuming stuff, you know, it's nothing special, and that's it. It just falls straight out, you know, and now it's clean. That's it, it's done. Job's done. That's it. And on this one, that is just packed solid. So there's a filter in there, and it's got to, not only has it got to go through the filter, which is underneath all of this hair and vacuumings. I can see a bit of onion skin there, bizarrely. It's just dust. It's just dust and hair and normal stuff. You can see the pleats there, you know, and you've got a chance at that point. So what you do is you take this, and if you cared to read the instructions, up here, unscrew it, as I said, peel out that filter, run it under the tap it a few times like I've done, and then give it a rinse under the tap at 40 degrees maximum, and then just leave it out for a day in the sun, get a bit of air on it. That's it. There really ain't anything to it. And so I've run it under the tap, given it a bit of a clean, and I don't think it's come up too well. There's still a load of crud in there. I don't see how washing it under the tap is going to do much for this one. So what I would recommend instead is to let this dry out bone dry, and then give it a blowout with an airline. I'd say that's a better option. But then just reassemble it, put it back together, it should work fine. You know, there's not much to these. So there you go. Thanks for watching.